continue. See Rabbinic Prohibitions. So you see this biblical only two and Rabbinic Prohibition. We noted above that some Rabbinic prohibitions are based upon the Torah law, while some are independent of any Torah source. These are divided into three general categories. So on one hand, we say that how is it possible that rabbinic decree could be out without the Torah source? It does not have a Torah source like direct line. If it would have like a specific, like explicit line, it would be Torah prohibition, not rabbinic. But it usually has asmachta. Asmachta, it's like allusion. So they rabbis don't make create laws from the thin airs, right? They get from some allusion, or to build defenses around the existing law. So okay, so let's see. This can be divided into three general categories of those based on the Torah law. A, some rabbinic extension of the actual prohibitions, and okay, so number one, some rabbinic extension to the actual prohibitions. So meaning rabbis like build all of the fences, I apologize, around the Torah law, so we don't come to violate the Torah law. Okay, it's like the example is given to two different people to take over the garden. So it says like be careful not to like step on on a flower in this garden. And one person say, yeah, I'm going to remember. And another person, what he did, he built the fence around the garden. So the first person, second person, they don't walk in the garden, they don't ruin the flowers. But second person did the step did something extra. So that's a rabbinic decree. So they built a biblical and rabbinic around the same idea. The rabbinic is only extended a little to protect us. Next one, some rabbinic prohibition of foods based upon the concern that one might transgress some of the other Torah prohibitions. So meaning what? That if we allow a person to eat this food, so it's not, that is not prohibited biblically, so he or she might get to eat something that is prohibited by Torah. Okay, so one is going to lead to another. We're going to see examples. And number three, a third category contained prohibitions that have no direct connection to the Torah law, but were instituted to protect spiritual welfare of the Jewish people. So that's very developed, and that's how rabbis. It's a job of our rabbis in all of the generations, because they live in that generation, and if they see that something is harmful to that generation, or spiritually, right, they must execute, if it's in their power, all of these enactments, so that the people will follow. And some of them, in some instances, they given power even without Sanhedrin to kill people. So if we would bring like to stop some desecration, that's they can do. But in most of the cases, they can give lashes. Of course, not in those days nowadays, but not in so recent past they were given lashes. Okay.